EV chargers, solar panels, batteries, heat pumps. They're all getting so smart. But installation and maintenance still kind of feels stuck in the past. Hi, I'm Michael and I'm with installer.com. Here we believe that this part of the business hasn't really caught up and somebody really has to sort it out. We recently traveled to the UK to meet these great companies building the future of energy. And there was a lot of exciting progress. But when we asked them about, how does it actually get installed and how does the maintenance process look like, we realized it was still kind of messy. And understandably so. Because when you have manufacturers, you have sales, logistics, installers, when you have so many people in the loop, stuff are bound to go wrong. And at Installer, we want to do something about that. With installer.com, we want to make it easy for you to track what needs to be done, who's doing it, and when is it actually going to be completed, so that no work falls between the cracks. You're already working with some exciting companies such as and we'd love to talk to you if you're building in this space. So feel free to reach out. Have a good one.